Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annapurna and thanks for watching Muse. In this video, I have created a collection of a few pictures which I clicked of myself without even going outside for a bit. All pictures solely at home. But how? Now my camera gets connected to the phone. You can also use self-timer, or there is a Bluetooth connector available which you can connect with your phone and click the picture as you click the button on the Bluetooth connector. So it becomes very easy. So without further ado, let's start. This one I can tell is the easiest of all in this video. Just fix your camera somewhere like this. Take an A4 sheet of color paper, chart paper or any newspaper. Cut it from the center and just fold it like this. Again, here I have added a kajal tattoo to add to the aesthetics of the picture. Just hold it in front of the camera and that's it. Simple and sexy, isn't it? So these are the pictures I got from the shot, and this is the final picture on the feed. Moving on to the next one. This is one of my top shots in the list. For this, just fix your camera somewhere like this. Now in few of the pictures I have used this kind of tripod, which is a Gorilla tripod. It is flexible. Now in case you don't have such a tripod, you can use the normal one as well. So don't worry about it. Continue with the video. You'll just need a few strings. I have chosen red because I think it will be prominent. And put the strings around your camera so that it gives the feeling that it is coming from all the directions. Just arrange it in a random manner, no need to be very specific about it. Once the strings are ready, put on a hoodie. I've made some tattoo here out of kajal for the picture to give it that touch, Hold the strings, move a little away. I love how this picture depicts that we have all the strings of life in our hands. It's up to us how we put it to use, isn't it? You can check out all the pictures on my Instagram as well. And this one is the final one from my feed. Now I personally feel that sky has always been one of the best backgrounds. So next picture are with the sky. For this shot, this is how I set my camera, facing almost vertically upward. This picture can be easily taken from phone as well. Now take a slow motion video and choose a frame or set a timer and pose. You can also take burst shot and choose from the best one. Here are a few pictures which I got, and this one is the final one from my feed. So today's clip is going to be again another easy creative one, for which you'll just need a piece of paper and sellotape. Take the newspaper and fold it, make a roll and fix it with the tape. Set it on the lens of your camera like this and just look into your camera. It is absolutely beautiful, simple and creative. Some eye makeup would take it to the next level. And this one is the final one from my feed. For this picture, I'll sit in front of this window. Clicking the picture against the light will give the silhouette look to the picture. I have set the camera on the tripod like this. The camera is a little tilted to get an angle. Now just sit in front of the frame at the center, position yourself and that's it. This was a real quick one. These are the raw pictures and here are the edited ones. I love how the picture came out to be with the texture edit. Now this shot was a very little effort to shoot, but more effort went into editing this. So create an origami bird like this, which I learned from YouTube. It just took me 10 minutes. And at the back, just use sellotape to attach a string like this so that it could hang in there. This is the first part of the shot. Now for the second part, I took this candle container from Miniso just to use as a container from which the birds would come out. Now this is my second shot. So these were the two shots. I used Snapseed and Lightroom to edit my pictures. I merged both this picture using Snapseed. I just love how the birds look here. This is one of the most creative shots I've created. And this was my final picture on my Instagram feed. Next, this picture idea is taking a picture of your picture. I used a doormat for the background for this picture. I have set it in front of my balcony where there is maximum and even light. I clicked myself on my phone. Just zoom the picture as much as you want and adjust the brightness of your phone to make sure that it is properly visible. Place some props. I have used money plants and this cute little clock. Trust me, you'll never be disappointed with using plant as a prop. And voila! This is the final picture on my Instagram after editing. We will do a trending shot here. I have set my camera like this on the window. I have taken a plain white dupatta for this shot. You can take netted clothes or some printed bright ones as well. Now fix the dupatta in the window like this. Get under your dupatta. Pose, and here's the few shots I got from this. This one is the final one after edits. I just loved how simple and elegant this picture came out to be. I've kept the best for the last. Here is another top-down shot. I've pulled out one leg of the tripod and set it at the window like this. Whoa! Yes, there is a little tripod visible here, which will be a post-production edit. So let's get into the shot. Here I used a green towel for my background. You can use a chart paper or a plain bedsheet as well. And the main prop of this shot, little hearts. Just lie down, spread your hair and place the little hearts randomly. You can use flowers, leaves, anything available. So these are the raw pictures and this is the final one on my feed. I loved it so much that I changed all my profile pictures across all the platforms to this picture. I love how the little hearts have added to the creativity of this picture. So that was all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Now if you recreate any of those pictures, do tag me on my Instagram or use my hashtag with Annapurna Muse. Also, if you want me to recreate any of the pictures that you want to learn, do send me over email or DM me on the Instagram. I've put the link of my Instagram profile in the description as well. So that will be all. Hope you have a great day. Keep smiling and take care. Bye-bye.